To extend the interest in playing with my robotic pets, I always explore new setups for them and most of the time get unexpected and fun results. They seem to interact with each other and other electronic toys, creating a robotic zoo or circus, becoming real play pals and companions, different each time. FurReal friends, Squawker McCaw Parrots, love watching TV, blowing kisses to actors and children on the screen, and also interact with WowWee's Robosapien, engaging in active conversation.
Pretty bird, stop. Kiss, kiss. I see you. What do you want? How you doing? Hello. How you doing? No, I'm hungry. What do you want? I love you.